Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nacine. I'm 37. I've lost 65 pounds on keto. I have 4 wonderful kids, a floofy, fluffy husky, 2 kitty kitties, and I would love it if you gave me a clicky. Today for lunch, we actually have a celebration at work for 25 years for 3 people that have been here for that long. And so we have like a barbecue-y thing. There's a lot of options, but not for me. So I have a hot dog, a burger with a piece of cheese, some mustard, and then I have some of this coleslaw, which looks as if it has some broccoli and carrots in it. I'm not exactly sure. I'm kind of scared to eat it, actually, you know, because it probably has some sugar in it. I did take a bite. It doesn't taste like super sweet or anything, but I'm just gonna eat the meat, probably. I may eat that, I'm not sure. But I have some phone calls to make, so I'm gonna eat this really quick, make my phone calls, and I'll talk to you after work. Hey guys, welcome back. So I just got done reading all of your guys' comments on my last video, and so many of us are struggling right now. I wonder if it has to do with this time of the year, the heat, the warmth, the ending of summer, the stress of going back to school, getting kids back to school. Just, I mean, I know not everybody is struggling, but a lot of us are. A lot of you in the comment section were saying the same exact things that I'm saying. And so I just want to let you guys know, obviously you're not alone. I'm struggling too, and I'm getting back on track, you know. The Whole Foods thing, it's working. I've done great the past couple of days. For lunch today, I did pack my lunch and track my lunch yesterday, but I totally forgot we were having a barbecue at work. So what did I eat? You've seen, I had a hot dog and a hamburger patty and 1 piece of cheese. I got that coleslaw and I took 1 bite of it and I said, no, this has sugar in it, I can tell. So I didn't eat it. And I'm home now. It's about 5:30. I got about an hour left of my eating window. I got to try to figure out what I'm going to eat. I don't have any like meat thawed, and I definitely need some protein in, and maybe I will go to Wendy's and get a Baconator. I'm not sure. I'm going to track it first. I'm going to make sure before I go and get it. If not, maybe I'll just make myself a nice big salad. I'm not sure. I need to look in the fridge. I need to figure out what's going on. The kids, it's easy. There's all kinds of stuff that they can eat. I also have to go and get some allergy medicine for Tiffany because for the past month or so, she's just been runny nose, itchy eyes, and she's got an appointment coming up on the 6th. So hopefully we can figure that out. I don't know what's going on. I really hope that it's something that can be fixed. I mean, I hope it's like a pollen thing and it's not like one of our animals suddenly that she's having a problem with. So that's coming up. And otherwise, it's just been kind of a chill day. I got home. I had to take care of some stuff in the basement with my roommate, leaving a gigantic mess. So other than that, stressing me out, I got upstairs, cleaned the rest of the house, and now it's time to figure out what we're going to eat. But I just want to thank you guys all for the positive comments. And I'm so sorry that I have a weird problem with like looking at the lens because I'm recording on my phone, so I see myself. So I keep looking at myself, or then I look away. I have a weird thing with making eye contact. Is that weird? But yeah, as I look down, I'm going to really try to start looking at you guys because I'm talking to you guys. So I'm going to look at you guys, okay? I'm going to do it. So let's figure out what we're going to eat. Let me know what you guys had for dinner in the comments. Give me some ideas of some nice whole food meals, what you guys are eating, salads, chickens, how you prepare them. Just give me some ideas. I appreciate it. And I'll show you guys when I figure it out. I decided to chop up about 64 grams of green onion, about 25 grams of, ooh, it's starting to get 25 grams of onion, and then a little piece of garlic. And then I'm going to throw in some steakums. I got to turn the heat down. Woo. So I just did 2 servings of the steakums. And as you can see, that immediately added in some fat. So it's not all crazy anymore. And I'm just going to like cook this for a little bit. I'm going to season it up. And then I think I'm going to make an omelet out of this. So I'm about to flip this baby closed. Alright, so it didn't flip. The bottom wasn't, I thought there would be enough grease down there from that steak. But I was wrong. So, okay, it's like a scrambled egg. And it looks really good, and I'm super hungry. I put 2 pieces of extra sharp cheddar cheese on there. I got myself a chocolate protein shake because I'm so low on protein, you guys. So my macros are looking terrific, though, after this protein shake and after eating. I wanted to show you something that I started taking for my hair, skin, and nails. This biotin. This is from Physician's Choice. I have used a couple other products before in the past. I really like their collagen. I would like to put that in my coffee in the morning. I am currently out of their collagen, but I got this collagen at Big Lots for $10. It's alright, but it doesn't mix as well as the Physician's Choice collagen did. But this, they're very tiny. They're for hair, skin, and nails. It's made with coconut oil. I like it. So far, I've been taking it for a couple of days, and honestly, I can't tell a difference yet. Of course, you got to take it for a little bit. So I'll be keeping you updated with this stuff. Oh, and I actually have a discount code for this too. I'll pop it up there if you're interested. But I would wait until I can give you the real deal on it. You know what I'm saying, guys? Yeah. I also got some bone broth that I want to test out in the next couple of days when I'm doing some fasting. I received this today from a company called Left Coast Performance, and they actually sent me this. I've been using this in my coffee too on the weekends, this keto coffee creamer with the cacao, the MCT oil, and the ghee. I like this product a lot, so I have high hopes for this. This is interesting. This is gigantic, and I'm shocked that I was sent this by the company. This is a bone broth powder. Vanilla, you guys. Vanilla bone broth powder. I'm curious about this. So this is huge. This is huge. It's 32 ounces. This is a 2-pound thing. Collagen-rich, gut-friendly ingredients. Supports joints. There's 19 grams of protein. 1 scoop. There's about 42 servings. Holy crap. 80 calories. 4 carbs. Less than 1 gram of sugar. 19 protein. 214 sodium. Okay. 101 potassium. Beef bone broth, protein concentrate, natural flavors, cane sugar, stevia, monk, and fruit extract. Why is there cane sugar? I don't like to see that. It does say less than 1 gram. Huh. I don't know. I will definitely have to test this out. If blending with only non-dairy milk, use a hand immersion blender or blend on low setting. But can you just mix it with water? Or do you have to mix it with like almond milk? Or I'll have to do more research on this, you guys. But thank you to this company for sending this to me. I'm going to have to take a look at it, do some research, and try it out. That's a big old thingy. Alright guys, so I'm done with dinner, and it was pretty good actually. I took my little biotin pill, and I drank my protein shake. And I know some of you are going to say, like, I thought you were going to eat whole foods. I don't ever have a problem with protein shakes, and I just kind of use them as fillers to fill in the protein. And it worked. So I'm full, and I've got great macros today. I'm so proud of myself. So I will post my macros here. Is it gonna be here or here? I don't know. I'll post them one of these sides, and I'm gonna go take Link for a walk. And that's the thing I will say. If you're feeling full, because I'm kind of feeling a little bit full after drinking my protein shake, go for a walk. I feel every time I go for a walk, I start to feel a little bit better, and the fullness feeling goes away. And it just makes me feel better about myself that I'm getting up and I'm moving and I'm doing something. So that's what I'm gonna do. Link already heard me say it. Watch this. We gonna go for a walk? Oh yeah, we gonna go for a walk, puppy? You wanna go? Get your leash. Get your leash. Go get your leash, buddy. Go get your leash. You wanna go for a walk? Speak. Oh, he's gonna speak. Speak. What? You wanna go for a walk? You wanna go for a walk? Speak. Okay. Okay, puppy. Okay, we'll go for a walk. Overall, guys, I had a pretty good keto day. I'm pretty proud of myself. I got some exercise in. I've been drinking all of my SNAIL water today, and it was just a pretty good keto day. So I'm glad to be back on track, and I'm hoping that my weigh-in tomorrow morning will be lower. When I weighed this morning, I was 237. I'm not sure. I don't know. I mean, I can't say I'm not sure how I got there. I know how I got there. Hello. But yeah, that's just pretty crazy to go from 232 to 237. I was just 232 right before my birthday. So it's discouraging, but I'm positive that the scale will be down in the morning. So I hope everybody had a great Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. We're going to kick Friday's butt, and we're going to have a great keto week next week, guys. All right. Bye.